Hey, what is happening here? Son of Funyini, can't you see that I want to hang my own clothes?
Sorry, I don't understand.
You don't go understand. When you enter somebody's house and you don't get sense to know that this is my own wire. This is my own territory. If you want to use this wire, you will go to the market and go and buy your own wire. Then you hang it here. That is your own. That's how we do it here. So here.
Oh, sorry, we just move in here.
And you know come moving with your senses.
Dissolve!
Because I don't understand. This is my wire.
But I just said I'm sorry now.
Sorry, kill you dear. Well, in fact, this wire is my own.
What is going on here?
Auntie, welcome. What be this one?
I said, what is going on here?
This auntie, she doesn't want me to spread my clothes. No? You guys are just ranting. You dey can south.
They whine.
Say una dey whine me ni. Una no get like me. Common sense justify immediate dinner. I'm telling you that this is my wire and you guys are still hanging clothes. I dey come for you.
Yeah, I will soon beat someone's child.
She your sister no get sense. Who she be sef? Because she don't dey do that say she don't get sense.
Oh, she be army officer for Lagos Barrack.
Dissolve! Blood of Jesus.
Army. Why you don't tell? Yeah. Why you don't tell me?
You said no act now.
Hey! I hear me.
I don't go act.
By me.
You are a wicked person. You darn you.